How to play McDonald's Monopoly and win free prizes. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to play McDonald's Monopoly and win free food using the McDonald's app. No purchase needed. So if you want more chances to win prizes in the Monopoly game, follow along step by step. All right, let's dive in. First, open your McDonald's app on your phone. Now tap on Register or Play under the Monopoly section. Once you're there, scroll all the way down. Keep going until you reach the very bottom of the page. You'll see a bunch of small text and links. Look for the one that says amu.playatmcd.com, which stands for Alternate Method of Entry, and tap on it. Next, enter your email address. Complete the quick security verification, the I'm not a robot stuff, and then tap Continue to Verification. Now, go to your email inbox and open the message McDonald's just sent you. Inside that email, you'll find a unique game code and special link. Copy that code, then tap the link and it'll take you to a new page. Once the page loads, paste your code there, fill out your information, and then tap Validate My Address. After that, hit Submit Game Code Request. That's it. Within about 2 hours, you'll receive 2 free Monopoly game codes directly to your email. You can enter those codes in the app to play and win prizes. And there you go. That's how you get free Monopoly codes without spending a penny. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this one.